Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Listen to English podcast. I'm your host, and today's episode is about visiting a doctor for a checkup. Have you ever gone to the doctor just to make sure everything is okay? That's called a checkup. Let's listen to a short conversation between a doctor and a patient.
Good morning. Please come in. How can I help you today?
Good morning, doctor. I don't feel very well these days. I feel tired all the time.
I see. Do you have any pain?
Not really, but I sometimes have headaches and I can't sleep well.
How many hours do you sleep at night?
Maybe 5 or 6 hours. I usually go to bed late because I use my phone before sleeping.
That could be one reason. You should try to sleep earlier and avoid your phone before bed.
Yes, you're right. I'll try.
Do you exercise or play any sports?
No, I don't. I'm an office worker. I sit at my desk all day.
I understand. Sitting for long hours is not good for your health. You should take short walks every day.
Okay, I'll do that.
I'll also check your blood pressure and send you for a blood test.
Is everything serious?
No, don't worry. It's just a routine checkup to make sure everything is fine.
That's good. Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Take care and come back next week with your test results.
Let's learn some useful words from the conversation. Checkup, a regular health examination.
Example: I go for a checkup once a year.
Headache, pain in your head.
Example: I have a headache when I work too much.
Blood pressure, the force of blood moving in your body.
Example: the doctor checks my blood pressure.
Routine, something you do regularly.
Example: it's part of my daily routine.
Take care, to look after yourself.
Example: drink water and take care of your health.
Now, let's practice some sentences together. Repeat after me, slowly and clearly. 1. I feel tired these days. 2. I go to bed late and wake up early. 3. I need to exercise more. 4. It's just a routine checkup. 5. Take care and stay healthy. Excellent! You did a great job today! Remember, your health is very important. Thanks for listening to Listen to English podcast. See you in the next episode and stay healthy!